Hello everyone, it's Lucas from Altus. Today, we are going to learn how to use subroutines on Master Tool for the Nexto Xpress series. So, we can work with subroutines being executed along with our main logic. For example, we can come here at our application cable and create a new folder to add all our subroutines. Click in OK. And inside this subroutine folder we can right-click and add an object of type PO, Program Organizational Unit. Let's call this motor drive program like motor drive. The type will be a program and the language will be ladder. We can add, and here we can create our logic. Let's put a contact and a coil. Let's call it start motor, creating this Boolean type variable. And the next one will be a variable called motor. Now we can close here and go to our main task to add the call of this new PO. So, I'm going to add it here in application, then in subroutines of our PO drive motor. We can even define how often this motor activation will be executed. Let's define this interval of 20. Now we can go to online, login and then yes. Let's start the project, and open our PO trigger. Now I can load a value in my variable start motor. Press Ctrl plus F7. I noticed that now I have my logic running a part of my user PRG, so, this was our 33rd lesson for Nexto Xpress series. Don't forget to follow Altus channels on Facebook and YouTube. Thanks everyone, see you next time.